JJLEE squad, what's up? I told you I'm back with another video. I got to tell y'all, man, in the update video. I know I said the next video would be walk around in a new daily, but I forgot. So, well, either one thing, I guess it's one thing, but just go down low. Y'all see that the exhaust tips aren't red anymore. A few of y'all caught that, but as y'all can see, your boy got the AWE track Catback exhaust. I went with this instead of Corsa because it gave me like this deep, nice growl and tone. The car still pops and everything, bro. But I just love it. I don't know if you can physically see up under that bit. Let me see. Let me go low up under here. Y'all can see everything. The car is still way too low, bro. It's way too low. Let me go ahead and get you a little cold start so we can start the chop. But this is just a quick video. I'm leaving that up in there. But first of all, bam, how y'all like that, bro? I'm leaving it in there. Drop the phone. But, bro, y'all can tell me if it sounds like a little bit better. But other than that, man, the ground, the tone, everything, I love it, bro. And then y'all should hear it. I'm gonna get a little video of it like going like full load on that bitch, bro. So just wait. That baby sound, it sounds beautiful. But I just wanted to give y'all that quick little video real quick. Honestly, like, more like, I know I could have saved it for the other video, but I wanted to update y'all real quick to give y'all like a better understanding of me. I was just buying stuff, grinding, saving, and then just putting stuff on the car without even thinking about picking up the video camera. So this is just like my updates to y'all, really. So I hope y'all like that quick little video, man. That was just the AWE track Catback exhaust. No cats, JBA long tube headers, and I think that's about it. No mufflers, no nothing, bro. So just straight. It's pretty much straight pipe instead for the halfway muffler or something like that. But that's about it, man. I will catch y'all later. Like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. I'm out. Alrighty, the new track Catback by AWE is installed. Big shout out to Graves, bro. AWE, going on there looking crispy. Look at that. Yes. We're gonna do a close line. It's warm. It's like hot warm. So this is a warm start.